Hello, my name is Aileen.
And my name's Nellie.
And we have a lovely song to share with you, and it's called The Frog,
and the Mouse.
and the Mouse. And this song is about a very unusual wedding between a frog and a mouse. And that's not the only unusual thing about it, because it took place in an unusual place, didn't it, Nell?
Yeah, it took place in a holly tree.
In the top of a holly tree. So the whole story is in the song, which we'll sing for you now. We'll just sing the first verse for you, which goes: Jolly frog lived in a well, hi-ho, ligum-taddy, and a merry mouse in a mill, fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy. So where did this jolly frog live?
In a well.
And where did the little Miss Mousy live?
In a mill.
So that's the beginning of the song, introducing those two characters. Now, did you hear the other little bit? The other two lines that went? We'll just say the words. That second line and that fourth line that went: hi ho ligum taddy. Can you say those words along with us? Hi ho ligum taddy. And the last line is fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy. Try it again. Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy. So now that you've gotten your tongue a little bit around those strange sounds, those vocables, which are really just nonsense sounds put to music so that you can sing it. So you often get this, if somebody wanted to do a little bit of Irish dancing, somebody might do that. They might just make up sounds to go with the music so that you can dance. And it's called often lilting or jigging, or sometimes gob music. So now we're going to begin to teach you the song. And the way we're going to do that, I'm going to sing a line while you listen, and then you sing it back along with Nellie.
Yeah.
You ready? Jolly frog lived in a well.
Jolly frog lived in a well.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
And a merry mouse in a mill.
And a merry mouse in a mill.
Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy.
Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy.
Lovely, well done. Now we're going to put those 4 lines together. So sing along with us this time. Jolly frog lived in a well, hi-ho, ligum-taddy, and a merry mouse in a mill, fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy. Lovely. Now the next verse goes, same again, you listen, and then sing back along with Nellie.
Yeah.
He says a courtin I will call.
He says a courtin I will call.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
So off he rode to Miss Mousie's hall.
So off he rode to Miss Mousie's hall.
Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy.
Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy.
And so courtin is an old word for dating, really. So he's going off to see Miss Mousie. Let's sing that verse together now. Says he a courtin I will call, hi-ho, ligum-taddy. So off he rode to Miss Mousie's hall, fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy. So the third verse. Lady Mouse, oh will you marry me?
Lady Mouse, oh will you marry me?
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
Ask me, Uncle Rat, says she.
Ask me, Uncle Rat, says she.
Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy.
Fall-de-deedlum to-a-naddy.
Now let's sing that together. Lady Mouse, oh will you marry me? Hi ho, legum taddy. Ask me Uncle Rat, says she. Fall de deedlum toranaddy. Next verse is Lady Mouse, where will the wedding be?
Lady Mouse, where will the wedding be?
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Up in the top of a holly tree.
Up in the top of a holly tree.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
All together. Lady Mouse, where will the wedding be? Hi ho, legum taddy. Up in the top of a holly tree. Fall de deedlum toranaddy. The first one in was the honey bee.
The first one in was a honey bee.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
With his bagpipes on his knee.
With his bagpipes on his knee.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Now all together. The first one in was a honey bee. Hi ho, legum taddy. With his bagpipes on his knee. Fall de deedlum toranaddy. Bedad said the frog, we're in good cheer.
Bedad said the frog, we're in good cheer.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Now all we need is dancers here.
Now all we need is dancers here.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
All together. By Dad said frog, we're in good cheer. Hi ho, legum taddy. Now all we need is dancers here. Fall de deedlum toranaddy. Next verse. In comes the butterfly.
In comes the butterfly.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Danced until he broke his thigh.
Danced until he broke his tie.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
All together. In comes the butterfly. Hi ho, legum taddy. Danced until he broke his thigh. Fall de deedlum toranaddy. So they had some lovely guests at their wedding, didn't they?
Yeah.
Weren't they only delighted to have the musician and a dancer? But next there comes what you could call, what, Nellie?
A gate crasher.
I don't think this next person, or creature I should say, was invited, because the whole thing, which had been going so well, hadn't it, goes downhill from here. Wait till you hear. In comes the neighbour's cat.
In comes the neighbour's cat.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Swallow the mouse and ate the rat.
Swallowed the mouse and ate the rat.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Fall de deedlum toranaddy.
Let's sing it together. In comes the neighbour's cat. Hi ho, legum taddy. Swallow the mouse and ate the rat. Fall de deedlum toranaddy. Next verse. The honey bee ran up the wall.
The honey bee ran up the wall.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Hi ho, legum taddy.
Says he, are you going to eat us all?
Says he, are you going to eat us all?
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
All together. The honey bee ran up the wall, hi-ho, ligum-taddy. Says he, are you going to eat us all? Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. Next. This gave the frog a terrible fright.
This gave the frog a terrible fright.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
He picked up his hat and he said good night.
He picked up his hat and he said good night.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
All together. This gave the frog a terrible fright. Hi-ho, ligum-taddy. He picked up his hat and he said good night. Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. So you might think he made his escape. But as the frog was crossing the brook,
as the frog was crossing the brook,
hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
A lily white duck came and gobbled him up.
A lily white duck came and gobbled him up.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
Sing it together. But as the frog was crossing the brook, hi-ho, ligum-taddy. A lily white duck came and gobbled him up. Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. Last verse. So that was the end of 1, 2, 3.
That was the end of 1, 2, 3.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
Hi-ho, ligum-taddy.
The frog and the rat and the little mousie.
The frog and the rat and the little mousie.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee.
Let's sing that together. So that was the end of 1, 2, 3. Hi-ho, ligum-taddy. The frog and the rat and the little mousie. Fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. So what we're going to do next is put all of that together and sing the whole song. But I just want to tell you a little bit about where this song came from. This is one of the oldest known traditional songs, and it exists not only in Clare but all across Ireland, different versions across England and Scotland and America. But this particular version that I'm singing for you is a slight adaptation of a Clare version, a lovely version of it, which was sung by P Joe Hayes, the very well-known singer and musician from Feakle. So you should be very proud, all of you in Clare, to have a lovely local version of this song. So now we're going to sing the song all together, the whole thing. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah.
Jolly frog lived in a well, hi-ho, ligum-taddy, and a merry mouse in a mill, fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. Said he, a curtain I will call, hi-ho, ligum-taddy. So off he rode to Miss Mousie's hall, fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. Lady Mouse, oh, will you marry me? Hi-ho, ligum-taddy. Ask me, Uncle Rat, says she, fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. Lady Mouse, where will the wedding be? Hi-ho, ligum-taddy. Up in the top of a holly tree, fal-de-dee-dlum tur-a-na-dee. The first one in was a honey bee, hi-ho, ligum-taddy, with his bagpipes on his knee, Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. My dad said the frog were in good cheer. Hi ho, legum taddy. Now all we want is dancers here. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. In comes the butterfly. Hi ho, legum taddy. Danced until he broke his tie. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. In comes the neighbour's cat. Hi ho, legum taddy. Swore the mouse and ate the rat. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. The honeybee ran up the wall. Hi ho, legum taddy. Says he, are you going to eat us all? Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. This gave the frog a terrible fright. Hi ho, legum taddy. He picked up his hat and he said good night. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. But as the frog was crossing the brook, hi ho, legum taddy, a lily white duck came and gobbled him up. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. So that was the end of 1, 2, 3. Hi ho, legum taddy. The frog and the rat and the little mousie. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. Fall the deedlum Cruinniú. Very sad, very sad, very sad. Well, we hope you enjoyed singing that along with us. So from me, Aileen.
And me, Nellie.
We hope you had a great Cruinniú 2020 and slán.